So I'm sitting here with Liam Bento. Tell me, where are we now? Just break it down for us.
We are sitting in the Zulu bar, the new Zulu, but we're going to love this place soon. You see the whole car going on there. The shit is awesome. We're going to love this place pretty soon. I'm of comedy in Cape Town at the moment for the underground acts. People like us wanting to come up.
So tell me, when did you start and how long you been doing this comedy thing?
Started about a year and a half ago. Started off at Jokers Club, Melody Shade Lane. Part of the stable there with myself, Carl Weber, KG, just came out there. Yeah, it was a good place to start. Just went on to Obs, Zulu Bar, Purple Turtle, all the fine joints.
Yeah. Wait. What inspired you to start?
Just social commentary. I had a lot on my mind, a lot that I wanted to say, shit that I saw every day. Just needed a way to vent, just get it out there. Just decided to get up on stage, throw down things that I saw on an everyday basis that nobody really took notice of.
All right.
A little bit of twist at the end.
So tell me your writing process like.
It's purely observational. It's things that I see on a daily basis. Things that everybody sees on a daily basis, but they take for granted.
Okay.
So. Just talk about things that everyone can relate to. So I talk about a lot of relationship material and stuff like that. So I've been in a relationship for 6 years, so I should have a lot of material there.
Yeah, it sounds like there's a ton of stuff.
My comedy influences, I gotta say Chappelle, Ranzio Vance. I like people that have a laid back style. Just stand there and stand and deliver type of comedians. I'm the type of person that just throws a punch out there. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. Most times it's a hit. So that's mostly my style. So anybody that has that laid back, stand and deliver technique, that's where I aspire to be.
What sort of advice would you give to new comics? Like, who would you say?
Prepare. Don't just go out on stage with nothing but your balls in your hand. It's not cool. We've all seen it. We go to open mic nights. People that just stand around with their friends on the weekend, thinking that they're funny with their friends, and then thinking they can just get on stage and do it. Don't do it. Prepare. Write something. Do it over and over and over, over and over and over, over and over and over. But like the mere fact that you have the balls to try it. Like, big up to you.
Now, where to for you now? Like, what's your next plans?
For me, I'm gonna take up the world. I'm gonna get my own clothing line, my own fragrance. That's the smell of money.
And a Nike endorsement deal?
Nah, man, I'm more of an Adidas.
You can redefine the game as we know it, one dream at a time. I'm American dreaming.